In this video, I'll show you how to turn on Don't Keep Activities in Developer Options on your Android phone. Let's get started. First, open the Settings app on your device. Next, scroll down and tap on Additional Settings. Then, tap on Developer Options. Once you're in Developer Options, scroll down to the Apps section and find the Don't Keep Activities option. Tap the toggle next to Don't Keep Activities to turn it on. When enabled, Android will automatically close every app activity as soon as you leave it. This feature is mainly designed for developers to test how apps behave when activities are destroyed and recreated. Keep in mind that enabling this setting may affect normal app usage, as apps will no longer remain active in the background after you exit them. If you experience any inconvenience, you can return to Developer Options and turn the setting off at any time. That's it. You have successfully enabled Don't Keep Activities on your Android phone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Android guides.